Hi, I'm Lily and Isabella, and today I will be painting a box. We're gonna draw like stuff on it, but we can't have a box without a character. That would just be completely insane.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, yeah.
I made the character. She's looking great. This is Trixie. So she's a panda, obviously. Anyway, bye.